Hi everyone and welcome. Coach Said here. Today I'm going to talk about energy balance, weight management and exercise. Want to learn more? Keep watching. Many people think exercise only matters because it burns calories. And yes, exercise does use energy. When you walk, march, squat, lift, stretch, garden, or stand up from a chair, your body is using energy. But if we only think of exercise as calorie burning, we miss the bigger picture. Exercise helps protect muscles, it improves circulation, it supports blood sugar control, it can improve mood, sleep, confidence and energy, and it helps us stay mobile and independent. The term energy balance simply means the balance between the energy we take in from food and drink and the energy we use through living, moving, digesting, repairing and exercising. If we regularly take in more energy than we use, the body stores the extra energy as fat. If we use more than we take in, the body has to draw on the stored energy. But the body is not just a calculator. Age, sleep, stress, medication, muscle loss and daily habits all play a part. And before we even think about losing weight, we should ask a bigger question. What does the body need to achieve first? The first goal is to gain balance. That means being able to stand up safely, walk with confidence, control your movements, manage your breathing, and feel steady in your own body. For some people, that starts with getting out of a chair without struggling. For others, it may mean walking further, climbing stairs, carrying shopping, or moving without feeling exhausted. Once the balance begins to return, the next goal is to maintain it. Because weight management is not just about dropping weight quickly, it's about building a body that can keep you going. So we're looking to achieve 3 things. First, better control of movement. Can you stand, sit, turn, reach, bend, and walk with more confidence? Second, better control of energy. Can you move more without feeling drained? Is your food sufficient for the amount of activity and recovery? Third, better control of habits. Can you keep a routine going without it feeling like punishment? Because that is where real management begins. Not with panic dieting, not with chasing the scales, but with helping the body regain balance and maintaining it. This is why some people start exercising and feel frustrated when the scales don't move. But listen to this carefully. The scales do not always show the work your body is doing. You may be getting stronger, moving better. Your waist may be changing. Your blood pressure or blood sugar may be improving. And your energy may be returning. That matters, especially as we grow older. Because one of the biggest mistakes is trying to lose weight without protecting muscle. Muscle is not just about looking good. Muscle helps you to stand from a chair, climb stairs, carry shopping, keep your balance, recover from illness, control blood sugar, and stay independent. That is why strength exercises are so important. Things like sit to stand, squats, wall push-ups, resistance bands, heel raises, step-ups, and chair-assisted movements. These are not just exercises, they're life skills. Because the goal is not just to become lighter, the goal is to become stronger, steadier, more energetic, and more capable. Daily movements matter too. A 30-minute workout is good, but what do you do with the rest of the day? It counts. Walking, gardening, housework, stairs, getting up and down from a chair, moving around the home. The body was designed to move often, not just exercise occasionally. And of course, food still matters. You cannot simply out-exercise poor eating habits. But harsh dieting isn't always the answer, especially as we grow older, because the body needs nourishment, it needs protein, fiber, water, minerals, healthy fats and proper meals to support energy and recovery. The aim is not to starve the body, the aim is to feed it well and move it often. So here's a simple way to think about weight management. Move more, build strength, eat with awareness, and recover well. And above all, build balance first. Balance in movement, balance in energy, balance in strength, balance in daily habits. Because exercise may not outwork poor eating, but it can rebuild the body that helps you manage your weight, energy, and health for the long term. And that's what it's all about. Stay well, keep moving, don't forget the like button, and subscribe for more over 50s exercise tips.